Hello there, and welcome to Fantazio Strangiato. I have a question for you. Have you ever looked up to the stars at night and wondered about the great mysteries of existence and what might be out there in the vastness of space and how it may relate to each of our own lives on Earth? I certainly have. That is why today we will examine the potential connection between what is known as the monolith on Phobos and the interstellar object we discussed before, known as Oumuamua. The Martian moon Phobos was first discovered in 1877 by an American astronomer. In 1989, the Soviet Union sent the Phobos 2 probe to explore the Martian moon and the other Martian moon known as Deimos. Once the probe reached Phobos, it transmitted a photo of the moon, but also of an unknown object between the probe and the moon itself. The Phobos probe was then destroyed. The cause of that destruction is unknown to this day. In 1998, the NASA probe called the Mars Global Surveyor discovered what became known as the monolith on Phobos and photographed it. Since that time, the monolith has baffled scientists with its perfect symmetry, magnetic properties that have led some to believe it could be a communication device, possibly transmitting signals throughout the universe. But what does that have to do with Oumuamua, which is, as you know, the first known interstellar object to pass through our solar system? Recent studies have suggested that Oumuamua could be an advanced alien probe that explores different star systems. And here is where it gets really intriguing. Researchers have proposed that the monolith on Phobos is acting as a navigation beacon for Oumuamua, guiding it through the cosmos on its interstellar journey. Just imagine a hidden transmitter on Phobos communicating with another probe from another civilization, potentially an exchange of information regarding advances of life on Earth. Updating Oumuamua and calling it back to our solar system when there have been significant advances in our technology, in our culture, significant enough to require an investigation by Oumuamua. But how could a connection between these two spatial entities be possible? Some experts speculate that the monolith's magnetic properties could enable it to communicate with Oumuamua, which possesses advanced technology that operates on a similar frequency to that of the monolith. Essentially, these two spatial phenomena have been created by the same species to monitor life in different solar systems. As we ponder this extraordinary connection, we must admit that there is still more questions than answers. The monolith's purpose remains a mystery, as does the nature of Oumuamua. Yet it is fascinating to consider the possibility of extraterrestrial contact and intergalactic communication. So the next time that you gaze up to the vast expanse of the night sky, looking at the planet Mars, remember that hidden amongst the wonders of the universe, there are connections that are yet to be fully understood and explored. And while you gaze up at Mars, someone else, something else, may be gazing right back at you. Thank you for joining us on this journey into the unknown. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more intriguing content about the mysteries of the universe. I hope to see you again soon.